Right, another beach. Nice red sand. Alright, I'm southeast of Paignton. I'm on a beach called Broad Sands Beach. The other beaches, the two beaches I wanted to go on, were obviously Paignton, but I can't because it's privately owned. And I also wanted to go on, I think it's called Goodrington, something like that. Yeah, I'm going to go for Goodrington. I can't go on either of them because they're privately owned. I have contacted the owners, but they haven't replied back to my emails. So today I'm coming down to Crown Estate Beach, which is about half a mile further along. So yeah, enjoy. It is low tide. It's sitting there ready to turn back, but enjoy. See at the first hole if there is going to be a hole. I'm not too sure whether there will be, but hey, let's have a look around. Enjoy. See you at the first hole. Bye. Right then, first signal for me, wherever it is. The 46-47. There's probably going to be a bit of tin. I did get a surface find, which was again just a bit of tin. So I've actually had nothing to write home about yet. That might just be the black sand, to be fair. Oh no, just another bit of tin. So another bit of canned slaw. There you go. So that's the first hole. Let's hope we're going to get some more, but I've been walking around for quite a long time and that was literally the first signal. It's very quiet on this beach. Alright. 57-59. It's only the second target. Oh dear. Bit rocky around here. Oh, what do we have here? Can't see anything obvious. Ball of foil, I think. Yeah, just a ball of foil. A ball of foil. There we go. Oh, I got a 60-61. That's out. It's out. Oh, just another bit of tin. Just another bit of tin. There you go. 52, 54. Not holding out any hope. I've got to get some content for you. It's under a rock, I think. I'm not going to be able to get that out. Or am I? Just a bit of tin. Just another bit of tin. 94, 95. Is that it? Oh no, but that is where it is though. A little dig. That's just a rock. Put that away a minute. Not very prominent now. There it is. No. Not getting anything now. There you go. Coin. Been there a long while. It's a penny. Certainly not going to be able to spend that again. Unless I can get all of that off. But yeah, I've got a coin. It's a penny and it's falling apart. Yay! First coin. I can't get the microphone to connect. I've got a 64. As a general rule, it's probably going to be a ring pull. But let's see. No, just a bit of tin. Just a bit of tin. Another bit of tin. Someone's aerial. Never mind. No, lost it. No, it's here. Yeah, it's not giving off the best signal. So possibly something else. And it's a hair grip. And it still works. One hair grip. There you go. That's out. It's going to be a bottle cap. Not a bottle cap, sorry, a ring pull, possibly. Yeah. Never mind. They normally come up a little bit higher than that, but never mind. An 84. Still there. Could be anything really, to be fair. Could be the rocks. Could be a coin. Could be a bit of can. Another bit of can. Just another bit of can. And there you go. Another bit of can. Right then, Broad Sands Beach. What can I say? Lovely beach, very, very quiet. In fact, all I found was bits of tin cans, a couple of ring pulls, and a penny. Just 1 pence. So I'm not rich today. I hope you enjoyed it. It was quite a boring one, really, for me, but I hope you enjoyed it. What I can say is I'll probably reduce it down to probably eight items, maybe 10 items in total, because I don't want to bore the arse off you. So yeah, thanks for joining me. As I say, lovely beach, really enjoyed it down here. Lots of people being friendly, which was nice. The only disappointing thing for me was the bait digger. He was just digging his holes and just leaving them, whereas we get caned for that, they don't. So yeah, a little bit of a bitch, but never mind. I apologise for that. So if I get plenty of them, I understand why. I'm sorry about that. It's probably not going to be a video for a little while, because we're going to be on the road heading down towards Penzance and Land's End. So I've got to work out which beaches I can actually go on before travelling back up North Cornwall and North Devon. I have picked up a permission from a local council at Charmouth, so I've got a year's permit now, so I can metal detect down there, which is pretty good. Unfortunately, the local council or the local owners around here for the beaches, they're not even replying. So I don't know if it just goes straight into a sin bin and just gets disposed of. I haven't got a clue, but hopefully they'll get back in touch with me, because I would like to go on to Payton Beach, Goodrington Beach as well, because they look quite popular with people. This one's probably a popular one through the summer, but definitely not coin wise at the moment. I hope you enjoyed it. As I say, sorry there's not a lot to show, but at the end of the day, it is real metal detecting. This is what detecting is like. Some days you have really good days, other days you have bad days, but I take the rubbish away. You'll see it all, but I always take the rubbish away and dispose of it properly. Yeah, what more can I say? Thanks for joining me. See you on the next one, whenever that might be. I've got to work out what beaches, as I say, I've got to work out what beaches I can go on legally and what beaches I've got to actually ask permission for. So yeah, hold off. If you don't see a video for a couple of weeks, then it's not because I've died or disappeared. It's just because I haven't had permissions. All right, thank you very much. See you later.